If you want to scan the QR code on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then we have a couple of ways to do so. You can, for example, open the camera, and then in the photo mode you might be able to scan the QR code quite easily. Let's see if we can actually detect it, if the camera can generate the link from the QR code. Maybe I need to put it closer. There we go. It was actually generated, so now we can tap on this link that we have over here in order to open the link in the browser. If this doesn't work for you, you might need to tap on these dots on the left side, open settings, and make sure that scan QR codes option is enabled, and you might also need to disable scan documents in case it doesn't work properly all the time. So in that case you want to do that. And besides that, what you can also do is you can go to quick settings, and over here you might be able to find the QR code scanner. If not, then you might need to edit the quick settings and find it in available buttons to add it to the list. But with this QR code scanner, you can also, of course, scan QR codes quite easily. Just try to aim it at the QR code, and hopefully the camera will detect it. I think the camera app actually works the best in this case, because as you can see, unfortunately in this case I cannot really scan it. Oh, there we go, it actually did scan, so maybe it's just a matter of luck. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.